Hi, I'm Megan, aka SUP Chick, and this is Neil. We're off on a SUP road trip to the Isle of Mull in our cute retro van, Harmony, the Happy Camper. Come with us as we explore some of the best stand-up paddleboarding spots along the way. The next morning we headed south out of Oban for a side trip to Seil Island, stopping along the way to admire the view.
Wow, look at that view. Is this just a...
Parking, Scottish hydroelectric. Sunday I don't think they'll be at work. That's beautiful, isn't it?
It's magic. So we're just travelling along the road to Seil Island. Looks more like Seil Island. Apparently it's pronounced Seil Island. And famous for having a very old and very distinctive wee stone humpy bridge across to it, which is called the bridge over the Atlantic, because even though it's only very narrow, it is literally the Atlantic Ocean that you're crossing. And next to this bridge is an old pub that apparently way back in the day when tartans and colours were banned from being worn in Scotland by the Highlanders from the island would wear their tartan colours and then deposit them in a secret spot in the pub before they went over to the mainland. Which is on Seil Island, and it was a big slate mining area. Just in front of us here is what was the old pit. It's very, very deep, and then if I remember rightly, what happened was sometime maybe in the early 1900s there was a big storm which breached the sea wall and flooded it, and that was kind of the beginning of the end of slate mining.
The main town of Allenabrecht is a stopping off point on the Argyll Sea Kayak Trail, and we saw a kayaker making the most of the stunning sunny weather. We didn't go in for a paddle here as I had another place in mind further up the road, so we decided to get going, stopping for a quick look at the tartan pub. So pretty exciting paddle for us today. This is Stalker Castle over behind me, and this has been on our SUP-it List for probably about 4 years now, and we're about to do it, which is awesome. Beautiful day, couldn't have asked for anything better, and yeah, it even seems like the water might not actually be too cold, so who knows, might go for another swim. The water here is quite shallow, so we decided to wait for high tide, making it easier for us to paddle out. These really are my favourite paddling conditions. No wind, crystal clear glassy water and a sunny sky. Having a centuries-old castle to paddle about was just the icing on the cake. The first incarnation of Castle Stalker was built around 1320, its present form being built around 1440. The name Stalker comes from the Gaelic Stalker, meaning hunter or falconer. It's privately owned, but you can actually arrange a visit throughout the summer months. Castle Stalker is a great place to go paddleboarding, and we saw quite a few other people out on their boards too. It's really awesome to see just how popular stand-up paddleboarding is becoming in Scotland. So we've just paddled out to Castle Stalker, and it's been a really lovely paddle. The water's so clear, it's got heaps and heaps of seaweed in it. But yeah, you can look into the water and see it quite clearly, and heaps of jellyfish. So hopefully we've got some really cool jellyfish shots. I always love seeing what's beneath the water's surface, and I've got to say, this was one of the most beautiful spots we've been in Scotland from an aquatic perspective. I had a great time trying to capture the jellyfish on film as they floated about my SUP. I think the GoPro did a pretty awesome job of filming. Just found a little island to the side of Stalker Castle that we're going to land on for a wee bit and have a bit of a play with the drone, see it's so nice and calm and still, so hopefully get some good shots.
As the tide started to go back out, we headed home to Harmony, passing flocks of birds and exploring the coastline along the way. Feeling brave, we had a quick dip, even though it was a bit on the chilly side.
Is it cold?
Thanks for joining us on our SUP Road Trip to the Isle of Mull. If this is your first visit to our channel, check out our other videos. If you've enjoyed this one, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.